Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the LED light in your GE refrigerator. If you need a new LED light for your refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. If you want to test your LED lights in your refrigerator, reference our LED light testing video to learn how. Since we will be working with the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. To remove, gently pry the light away from the refrigerator's housing using a flathead screwdriver. Then, disconnect the electrical connector. If you need to purchase a new LED light, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, connect the electrical connector to the new light. Then, align it to the refrigerator housing and press firmly until it snaps back into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.